Hi ladies! In today's video we're gonna keep going with our deep cleaning, and in this video I'm going to show you how I deep clean my bedrooms. So that includes my master bedroom and two bedrooms that belong to my kids. And we are basically gonna clean everything in those rooms, from the windows to the closets to the baseboard. So if you need some motivation to deep clean your bedrooms, this is the video for you. If you are new here, hi, my name is Marta and I am a working mom of two, and I share videos about house and time management. So if this is something that you are interested in, make sure that you subscribe down below so you don't miss any of my future videos. So we are starting the deep cleaning of our bedrooms with windows. If you have watched my video 2 weeks ago, you know that I did the same thing for the downstairs, and I decided that windows need to be broken down into 2 different days. It was just too much. So today we're starting with windows upstairs. And you will see throughout this video that my daughter was really into helping me that day. So it went a little bit slower because obviously she needed some help, but it was a really nice time to spend part of the day with her. So let me know in the comments, how are your kids with cleaning? Are they still at that age when it's exciting for them to help you out? Or are they more like my son, who's kind of at the edge and starts to feeling like, oh, it's not really my thing anymore? So another thing I wanted to quickly do is go through my dressers. I did not have much in there to declutter because I went through that process a few months ago, but I just wanted to kind of tidy up and wipe down the drawers. this side of the room, this is my husband's dresser, so I don't organize or declutter his clothes because I don't know which ones he would like to keep and which ones he would like to get rid of. And this window was a bit tricky to clean. I did cut out quite a bit of the video from here, of the footage, because it took me a long time to put that window back together. Something was just getting stuck, but I am glad at least I was able to clean it up, all of it, instead of just portion it and seeing, you know, like little smudges in the corners. And this is another tricky part of cleaning my bedrooms, especially the master bedroom, is under the bed. There is no way for me to move this bed unless I would like move it all the way to the door. It's a heavy bed, it's just not happening. So instead I used the long feather duster to clean under it. So I basically had to lay down on the floor to be able to reach it. But hey, we got it done. And as you can see, my daughter saw what I was doing and decided to follow suit. And next we moved down to my daughter's bedroom, where, as you can see, she had a lot of laundry to put away on her bed. We're still working on that, putting the laundry away as soon as it's getting done. It's still one of my weaknesses, so.
Wow, cleaning is so much fun.
It is?
Yep.
Good to know.
Definitely. Well, we can play together.
Because we can play together while we clean? You are right. So in her room, again, we started with the windows, and then I went quickly through her closet. There were just few areas in there where we had some, like a lot of pajamas basically, and a lot of pants that were more for like winter and maybe fall when the weather is a little colder. So I just kind of wanted to sort through it and see what still will fit her in the fall, and just kind of put it away on the side so it doesn't clutter her main area. lastly, it was my son's bedroom. Again, starting with windows, just dusting, cleaning under the bed, which I did not film. It was just no good angle to do that, so, but I basically did the same thing as in my master bedroom. And lastly, I wanted to tackle the baseboards. Again, there is a lot of things that I did not film. I really had a very limited amount of time. I think I spent about an hour and a half doing all this cleaning, but we had some company coming over, so I wanted to make sure I have time to get ready for that as well. So I did clean the baseboards everywhere. We cleaned the windows, and we vacuumed the floors. We did not get to the mopping of the floor, that happened later on, but the bedrooms are deep cleaned. I got to check off a lot of the items on my deep cleaning list, so I was very excited that I made a lot of progress in a very little time. So I hope this video gave you some motivation to tackle your to-do list, whether that is cleaning your bedrooms like I just did or some other area in your house. I know I myself love watching other people clean, so I can get motivated as well. So again, if you like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up, make sure that you are subscribed, and I will see you in my next video. Thank you so much for watching.